Hey future trucker, Jonathan here, founder of Driving Academy, and in today's video we're going to be discussing the school bus endorsement or the S endorsement. So if you want to add this to your license, that means you want to be able to transport these yellow vehicles right over here. Now, you can add this to your license even if you have a Class A, a Class B, or a Class C vehicle. But the one thing you're also going to have to add is a passenger endorsement. So if you want to transport passengers in a yellow school bus, you're going to need both. In order to understand the passenger endorsement, make sure you check out this video right over here. That being said, in order to add the school bus to your license, you have to go through a three-step process. Step number one, purchase a CDL permit. Now, of course, you probably already had a permit if you're adding this to your license because you already got your CDL license in the first place. However, you're going to need to go and purchase another permit because you're changing your license up. Step number two, pass the actual S endorsement written exams, which means what? You're going to have to study the CDL manual and make sure you get at least 80% or better on the written exam itself. The questions that they're going to ask you on these exams are going to make sure you fully understand the theory behind transporting children to and from school and picking them up and dropping them off at home as well. That's going to be a big portion of the training. And then step number three is going to be taking the entire road test again. Now, if you decide to get a passenger and a school bus endorsement, you're going to take the test one time in an actual school bus, which means you're going to have to take all three parts. First part is going to be inspecting the vehicle. Here you're going to have to inspect both the inside and outside of the vehicle. One of the differences when it comes to inspecting a school bus is going to be things like your stop arm or your 8-way flashing lights that normal buses do not have. Even internal inspections, things like bodily kit fluids or things like that, are all going to be things that you're going to have to make sure that you master if you want to pass the inspection portion of the road test. Second part of the test is all about parking. This one's going to be pretty simple. It's going to be about 4 to 5 different maneuvers that you're going to have to master in a school bus. And then the third part is actually driving the bus on the road. And here you're going to have to understand how to interact with railroad crossings and also simulate a child pickup and drop off as well. So if you're interested in driving these yellow vehicles right over here, getting an S and a P on your license is going to be super valuable for you. And the best way to do that is come to the best CDL school in the country. We can help you out. We got locations nationwide. Just check out our website, cdldrivingacademy.com, and we'll find a location near you, and let's get you on the road to freedom together.
If you want to get your CDL, Driving Academy is here to make that process simple. We'll help you pass your permit, train behind the wheel, and prepare you for real-world driving with days and night classes 7 days a week. Start with only $500 down with interest-free payments and get lifetime job placement assistance to help you get hired fast. Visit cdldrivingacademy.com and let's help you get started on your road to freedom today. If you like this video, I know you're going to love this one too. And of course, subscribe. And if you're ready to get started, click on the link below.